To increase your knowledge, here are some effective strategies you can follow. 1. Read widely. Make reading a regular habit. Read books, articles, blogs, and other sources of information on various subjects. Choose topics that interest you, as it will help you stay engaged and motivated. 2. Pursue online courses and tutorials. Take advantage of the vast array of online learning platforms. Many websites offer free or paid courses on diverse subjects, allowing you to learn at your own pace and explore new areas of knowledge. 3. Engage in critical thinking. Simply consuming information is not enough. You need to think critically about what you learn. Analyze ideas, question assumptions, and develop your own perspectives. This will deepen your understanding and enhance your ability to apply knowledge. 4. Attend workshops and seminars. Look for local events, workshops, and seminars related to your areas of interest. These provide opportunities to learn from experts, engage in discussions, and expand your network. 5. Join study groups or discussion forums. Engage in group discussions or join online forums related to your areas of interest. Interacting with like-minded individuals can expose you to different perspectives and provide valuable insights. 6. Embrace lifelong learning. Adopt a mindset of continuous learning. Stay curious and open to new ideas. Develop a habit of seeking out knowledge and exploring new subjects regularly. 7. Teach others. Explaining concepts to others is a powerful way to solidify your understanding. Share your knowledge with friends, colleagues, or even through online platforms. Teaching not only helps others but also deepens your own comprehension of the subject matter. 8. Seek out mentors. Find experienced individuals in your field of interest who can guide and mentor you. Their wisdom and insights can help accelerate your learning and provide valuable advice. 9. Utilize technology. Leverage technology to access vast amounts of information. Use search engines, educational apps, podcasts, and online libraries to expand your knowledge base. 10. Stay updated. Keep up with the latest news, trends, and advancements in your areas of interest. Follow reputable sources, subscribe to newsletters, and join professional organizations to stay informed. Remember, increasing your knowledge is a lifelong journey. Stay consistent, be patient, and enjoy the process of learning. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.